Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to tell you the long form and you have to tell me the short form. So the first one is I am, I am, I have, I have, I will, I will, I shall, I shall, I would, I should, I had, I would, I should, I had. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you have, you have, you have, you have, say louder, you will, you will, you had, you would, say louder, you had, you would, he has, he has, he will, he will, he will, he had, he would, he had, he would. Okay, the next one. She has, she is. She has, she is. Say louder. She has, she is. She will. She will. She had, she would. She had, she would. Okay, then move to the next one. It has, it is. It has, it is. It has, it is. It will. It will. It will. It will. We are. We are. We have. We have. We will. We will. We had. We would. We had. We would. They are. They are. They have. They have. They will. They will. They had. They had. They would. Say more louder. They would. Say more louder. They would. They would. They would. They had. They had. Okay, say bye bye.
Bye.
Ta-da. Catch you later. Ciao. Cheerio. Allah Peace. See you soon.